Today I'm going to explain what a low-level format is, when to use it, and why you must be very careful before doing it. A low-level format is a process that completely wipes all data from a hard disk by writing zeros or patterns to every sector of the drive. Unlike a normal or quick format, low-level formatting permanently destroys all data, and data recovery is not possible after this process. Originally, low-level formatting was done at the factory, but today we use low-level format tools mainly for removing viruses and malware, fixing bad sectors, preparing a hard disk for resale or disposal, permanently deleting sensitive or confidential data, solving file system corruption issues. Important warning: before starting a low-level format, always double-check the disk. If you select the wrong drive, you will lose all data permanently.
To perform a low-level format, I am using hard disk low-level format tool. To open the tool, start all programs, hard disk tools, security, hard disk low-level format tool. First, open the tool and agree the license agreement. You can use this tool for free as long as you want. However, if you need to updates and higher speed, you can purchase the paid version. For this video, I am using the free version. For this demonstration, I am using external USB hard disk. You can also perform this process on laptop or PC directly booting from the Hiren BootCD. Click continue to go to the next page and select low level format tab. If you want to erase only the partition table, you can tick the perform quick wipe, but this video I am going to fully format the device. So I will click on format this device. The tool will show a warning message saying that all the data will be permanently lost. Click yes to proceed. The formatting process will start. Depending on the hard disk size and speed, this process may take several hours. Once the process is completed, exit the tool and open the disk management. You will see that all the data has completely erased and disk will appear as a new. If this video was helpful, like, share and subscribe for more technical tutorials.